midway through. It's a mess. What do you guys think of the colour? Lovely, rich, opulent colours. Gonna have a navy floor, and this is gold glittered walls. I don't think you can see very well on camera, but it's so pretty. And then dark aubergine. Hello my loves, how are you guys doing? I'm sorry there's no video this week because periods suck. And I've had a very rough week, so it'll be next week that I share with you guys how to make a journal based on the comments that I got from last week's video on my junk journaling video. So if you guys ever want to see any projects from me, I mean I've got a lot of jennibellie to do projects, a long jennibellie to-do list of projects to share with you guys, but if there's anything specific you want to say, let me know, because I'm also going to go via your guys' comments. So always ask, never feel like you can't ask me if there's something specific you want to see or something that I share with you that you don't quite understand and you want to see further, etc. But on the note of seeing what I'm actually posting, a few of you guys are gonna have to unsubscribe. And the reason for this is to do with YouTube algorithms. A lot of you guys have been subscribers of mine since before you had the notifications bell. So you guys, some of you are telling me you don't even see the bell. Others are telling me that my channel's listed as only for kids. And the way to get around it is if you unsubscribe and then resubscribe, you'll see the notifications bell, and then you can click on the all to get the notifications from me. Unfortunately, this isn't going to go out to the main people that need to see it, i.e. people that haven't seen what I've been posting for a while. Creators are just having a hard time at the minute getting their stuff seen. So I'm sorry, for a while I'm gonna get comments saying I didn't realise you were posting stuff. It's just how the algorithm is set up. If you want to see anyone's videos, not just mine, but anybody's videos that you really like and want to make sure that you see, like and comment on their videos, because that tells YouTube you're interested in this, and so they will show you them again. Even sometimes when you're hitting the notifications bell, you don't see it. So it's one of those things. We're having a bit of a tough time, some creators getting our stuff seen at the minute. So anything you guys can do, sharing as well helps, because it also means that people that might have followed me 5 years ago don't know that I'm reposting. I mean, that will always help the creator get seen by people that haven't maybe seen them before or don't realise that they're reposting, even if they are a subscriber. But for you guys to see what you want to see, you need to make sure that you interact on those videos that you want to see. And if you are a long-time subscriber of mine, but unfortunately YouTube is not helping us because of the notifications. So you're going to have to unsubscribe and then resubscribe, and then just hit the notifications bell up to all, and then hopefully that should fix the problem as much as I can do to get you guys to see. If you were a subscriber more recently, you should just be able to hit the notifications bell and it's okay. But it's for those of you that have been around for a while, and as I say, unfortunately, those of you that have been a subscriber for a decade might not be seeing this anyway. It's strange. When I first started on YouTube, I could have a few hundred subscribers and I knew everybody was going to see it, and even, you know, get a few thousand views on that video, just because I knew my subscribers were going to see it and share, and then it will get other people interested. But now it's like there's a lot of people posting a lot of stuff, so if you want to make sure that you see tailored pick and mix, not just what the YouTube algorithm wants to show you based on what it thinks you want to see, but you want to kind of manipulate the algorithm to see exactly what you want to see. You have to be interactive on those people that you really want to make sure that you still get visits from on your YouTube account. So much love, everybody. I hope you have an awesome week. What do you think of the studio? I know it's different, and I know you guys don't know what my vision is for it yet, but there will be a video when I've finished it and put it all together. It's still half done. Oh, so much fun. I'm so excited. So let me know, post below what you guys want to see, and I shall see you all next week. Last little reminder I forgot to mention, I'm restarting the art swap on journal workshops this week. If you want to partake in an art swap that goes on all over the world, then sign up on journal workshops. You need to be a member of that site because I vet people. I don't just let any riffraff into the community. And then there is a group called Art Swap that if you join, it doesn't automatically mean you're entered. You have to go in and enter the ones you want to enter. But every month we do an art swap, and because of the pandemic we stopped it for a while, but I'm restarting the art swap because I think we need it. I think we need some happy mail coming to us in our inbox, and we need some community right now. So we're going to create some art together, and then we're going to post it to each other. So if you would like to be part of that, go on to Journal Workshops, sign up to the Art Swap group. If you're already a member of the Art Swap group and you know the drill, it's coming, usual setup on the 14th of the month, and you have a week to sign up and then a week to post your goodies. And it's free. We do all the pairing up of everybody, so it's just some fun for us right now. So if you want to join, the link will be below and also in the cards. Much love, everybody. Have an awesome week, and I'll see you next week with a journal tutorial.